Welcome to my video where I'm showing you how to configure your ZSH without having to install something like Oh-My-ZSH, which really slows down your shell. So to get started, I have a fresh ZSH here without having created the ZSHRC, so that you can see it's exactly the same way as you would start with a fresh install. What I suggest also is that you make a backup of your current ZSHRC file and delete your current ZSHRC file afterwards, just to start fresh, and then later on you can copy whatever you need from the backup to your new current file. So to get started, I set it up real quick. So we go here, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0. Here we go, a fresh ZSHRC file. I can show it to you real quick. ZSHRC, here you go, very, very empty. And for the next step, I show you how to install PowerLevel 10K. You can also do this with other themes, but PowerLevel 10K is actually a very complete theme with a lot of extra features without bloating up your system too much. And then here we go. Important is that you have ZSH installed, obviously, that you have Git installed to be able to pull this repo, and you need the following fonts. My recommendation is to install the Maslow fonts here, but you can also use the other fonts here, although they are not 100% compatible with everything. What I also recommend is that once you downloaded those fonts, put them into the following folder. I just moved this over here. So local share fonts is what you need, and you just put those four fonts in there and you're good to go. The next step will then be the installation here. You just copy this part here for manual. Don't use the Oh-My-ZSH or anything else in that regard, just to be making it easier here. And then we just plop this in here. There we go. Now we have PowerLevel 10K here selected. And now we go into, we close this shell, open it up again. And here we see now it checks basically if the font is working. So here we have a diamond, so we say yes. We have a lock, yes. We have an upwards arrow, yes. We see all those symbols in between the axes, not mixed into there. So yes. Now you can select your settings for the style itself. So my personal favorite is rainbow, Unicode, 12-hour format, round, round, and round, one line, compact, many icons, and then concise. Here, I like to select no, just because I don't like the transient prompt. And here I select quiet, so you can still get instant prompt messages, but you don't have to have them. And then I apply it, and here we go. And that's about it. That was the setup. And like this, you can also install other themes. You don't have to have PowerLevel 10K, even though they make it really easy. And you can also install other plugins if you absolutely need other plugins into your ZSHRC file. I show you exactly what I mean. Here you go. So basically, if you download a plugin instead of like this ZSH file format from Oh-My-ZSH, you just download the plugin, call the file whatever you want, and then you just have to source it into your ZSHRC file, and that's about it. The only thing you have to consider is that if the plugin you're downloading requires a specific binary, that you will also need to download the binary and make it work in your path. The shell opens up way quicker, so I open it up and it's immediately there, no waiting time, nothing. And if you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please consider to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.